Hello, 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 bro. I just got word. I just literally just saw it now that Jinni just left JYP, or did you? What? What's the rundown? Jinni from Nmixx left Nmixx and JYP, or just JYP? What? I don't know. I just now heard this. That's why I came. What is happening, yo? What is happening right now? What? Breaking: Nmixx Jinni leaves the group and JYP. JYP Entertainment announced Nmixx Jinni's departure from both the group and the agency on this. What? What is happening, chat? What's up? What's up, y'all? Yeah, we probably just giving so much fan concern. That's crazy. The personal circumstances or exclusive contract has been terminated. It terminated. So what happened? JYP terminated the contract? Is that what's happening? As a result, we are letting you know Nmixx will be carrying out their future schedule activities as a 6-member group. We ask that you give lots of encouragement to Jinni, who will be walking a new path, and we also ask for that answer Nmixx fans give their warm support to 6 members. Interesting. What a interesting what? Damn. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.